What's happening? Welcome to the Vegas Life vlog. It is Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, and it's raining. It's raining in Las Vegas, man. It's crazy. The weather is a little fickle all weekend long. I locked into the studio. Everything just started flowing. Everything just started going. We're gonna call this the road to Las Vegas. You know what I mean? Las Vegas is for sale. I'm going to put it up soon. I'm going to put it up on Cashavelli.com. And now I'm also starting this vlog, the Vegas Life vlog. You know what I'm saying? Just going to be real life stuff of my day-to-day, you know, balancing music as an artist, balancing being an entrepreneur with real estate, balancing the family life, you know what I'm saying? Cashavelli. So another reason why I started the vlog is because these kids over here are always watching YouTube videos. And I told them that we're not consumers. We're producers. This is the vlog. Look, I told them right here, like, yo, you guys are always watching YouTube videos. I'm like, dude, we're going to make our own YouTube video, okay? Jaden asked if I'm going to put this on anything. Yes, putting it on YouTube. This is the vlog. And then what we're going to do is we got to clean up this loft. Look at this loft. This loft is just atrocious. But you know what? This is the start of something amazing. Yes, I'm going to make dinner. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Dinner is at 5:30. Let's go. We're making dinner. I'm going to vlog every day. I'm gonna document everything. I'm gonna document everything. That's what we're living in right now. I don't know, but I just feel like I gotta do something. Like, just make something happen. You know. First thing first, man. We gotta get this house in order, bro. Like, this house is just it's crazy, bro. We gotta get this thing all the way right, bro. Like, all the way right. But right now. Full-time dad status. Gotta make dinner. You know what I'm saying? Dinner's gonna be lit, and you know, we're gonna make it happen. So let's. You know, I feel like I gotta tap in with everybody real quick because I haven't been posting in a while. Because what had happened was I got locked into the studio. You know what I'm saying? I had inspiration, and I just started creating music, and I made a track, and then I made another one, and then I made another one, and then I made another one. You know, this last 3-4 days, I was just locked into the studio, and I got a whole new project coming right now. It's going to be called The Road to Las Vegas, man. I'm going ahead and put it out, man. I'm getting ready to put it out, and today I slept in. I had to get rest. So now I'm back with some more energy, some more vibes, some more frequency, and more dope stuff from Las Vegas. Chris Cash, you know what it is, baby. Las Vegas is for sale. Cashavelli. Let's go. Yeah. Because the boy slept in. The boy was supposed to do the Vegas Live podcast radio style. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Yeah. It's still Monday. I can still drop it. I'm going to drop it real quick. Let's go. Just wrapped up the podcast. I made a realization. I'm gonna just put stuff out as is, bro. Cash, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know how the investors be like, all cash, as is. That might be it. Time to hop on the computer. I gotta edit. I realize I gotta organize these files. I gotta check in on my Facebook ads. We locked in today. I gotta schedule my posts. We locked in today, baby. Alright. We're getting them streaming. Roblox. 30 minutes. Let's go. See what they do. See what they do over there. Alright, this is what we're doing right now. We about to do something super dope, okay? About to do something super dope. Jamo, record this. Here, hold this.
Should I do slow motion no. Okay. Wait, how do you turn it?
Ciao. Oh. See that? Did you get that? Did you get that? Are you getting it? Oh. Get that, J-Mo? Yeah. Did you get all of that? Let's go. That's what we doing. All right. It's bedtime. You know, I'm gonna tell them a bedtime story. And we're gonna end the night right there for them. But you know, I got more stuff to do. So, yeah. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I was feeling like I was going crazy. I had to go out. I had to go to the gym. It's raining like a motherfucker, but I was like, I have to go out and hit this gym, bro. And I'm here. Let's get it. Vlogging. Day 2, Tuesday. I gotta hit the gym again. You know, we gotta make it happen the way we do, baby. Where you at, boy? Come get this work. Come get this work one time. Are you thinking about moving to Las Vegas? Stop. Make sure you watch this first. You see, a lot of people relocate to Las Vegas and then they overpay. They also pick the wrong neighborhood. And worst of all, they get stuck with a bad agent. I'll show you where to buy, how to save money, and how to get cash back just by working with Chris Cash. So whether you're moving for work, the weather, or a fresh start, I got a free custom home list and a relocation game plan waiting for you. No pressure, just straight information and straight facts. Las Vegas is for sale. You just need to know who to call. Chris Cash. See, it's crazy because I be working and I be forgetting to eat, and then all of a sudden my head just hurts. And I'm like, dang, I need to eat something. Oh, it is what it is. On my way to pick up the kiddos. On my way, I'm like looking back there. You know, I was just thinking about like, what's my purpose, right? Right now I'm on my way to pick up my kids from school. And really, my purpose is to be the best father I could be. And also, I gotta navigate through this world. So my purpose is to be the best person I could be. And you know, I only got one body, right? So it's to have the best body I can have as well. Really, it's just to be the greatest. Like whatever I choose to do, whatever I wanna do, just to be the greatest at it. You know? Just be the greatest at what you do, what you enjoy doing. And just that energy, that frequency, it just multiplies. I got the kiddos. Ow. I got the kiddos. Kiddos. Just left the gym. It's actually very majestic here in Summerlin, bro. Like it's very nice. We are here. We are here at the bridging ceremony.
When we learn about Maria Montessori, we study history. Did you know that days and months are all history lessons? Guess so is time.
You know what I mean? Quick check-in. It's about 3 in the afternoon. Yeah, I slept in again. Bro, I be going hard, but then I be needing my sleep. So I'm at the gym. I was thinking like, it's Thursday, right? I was thinking like I have to have different like routines for different times, right? But I have to make sure I prioritize different things, like, you know, sleep. That's a priority now. So I'm not really too mad or like beating myself up for sleeping in a little bit, because I need sleep. I be going hard. But now that I woke up at this time, there's another routine that I'm gonna do. So it's like, boom, hit my gym, do that routine. You know what I'm saying? Mindset. You know, I've been listening to podcasts and you know, focus. I gotta get my focus in. You know, all those different things. So that's what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? Because once the weekend comes, it's a whole different vibe, different you know, style. So yeah, I'm here, about to get it in real quick. Bow. Just left the gym. I'm feeling fresh. Curse vlog. Vlog. So check game. Ever since I've been, you know, working out, you know what I mean? I be wanting to eat meat, bro. Like, bow, you feel me? Ribeye, you feel me? Ribeye, baby. Finna grill that up my goddamn self, you know? And I'm still healthy. Look, check, boom. Apple cider. Health is wealth, baby. Health is wealth, baby. Hey, man, so I'm driving through this motherfucker, right? Motherfuckers, bikers popping willies and shit. I'm trying to record them and shit. But what I was really trying to say is like, I'm driving through the Southwest, right? That's why I live. I'm a Southwest Las Vegas specialist, right? They be building shit like everything. Man, every time I pop out, bro, they be building new shit, bro. This shit is growing. I don't give a fuck with nobody. This shit is growing, bro. Look at these niggas go. Look at it go. Here we go. I had to get you. Nigga, that's so. We could just record them people doing what I seen the dude the other day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I seen him the other day. I'm gonna see him again. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna see him again. It is going down. Salad, sweet potatoes, rice, and steak. Yes. Look at my handsome son. Look at him making rice. See, one thing about ribeyes, you don't need a marinade, just a little salt and pepper. You know, you don't need nothing. You don't need a lot of whoop-de-whoops. You just bow, 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 bow. You know, and a little bit of this. Friday, made it to Friday. 4:30 in the morning, though.